I am Syma Sheikh, your dietitian and a nutritionist. So welcome to my channel, but please don't forget to like, subscribe and share it. Because if you need my daily updates and if you want to know new tips, please do subscribe my channel. Now let's get started with our winter recipe salad. So as you know, carrots are very much in. I have got these carrots. These are Indian carrots. Okay, and this is lettuce. These are tomatoes, onion. This is all for a salad. I have got this chana. This is mixed, like black chana is there and your sprouts is there, moong sprout is there. Then cheese is there, again cow cheese, some grated carrot and boiled eggs. Salt and pepper for seasoning, and you can also add some olive oil in the dressing. So now I'm starting out with these and this grated carrot and some leaves. These are lettuce which you can cut and add in this. It should be finely chopped. It's a bowl of health for you. So now I'm dicing this tomato into very smaller pieces, and then finally I'm adding this in my salad. After this, I have kept this boiled chanas and sprouts mixed together. These are green beans. So now I'm adding this green beans also in this. This will become very tasty, delicious and healthy for you guys. And this is cheese, fresh cheese made at home. So this is made from skimmed milk. I've added some because I don't like much of cheese. And then these eggs are your choice. If you want to add some boiled eggs, means if you want to load it with protein, you can add this. So abhi I'm not adding it, it's your choice. If you want, you can. Finally, I'll do this seasoning with some pepper, adding bit of salt, and this is extra virgin oil. This is salad oil. This you can add. Because if you are not adding oil to your salad is not be easily digestible. So this is very important and everybody should know this. Now we are done with the salad. So I am mixing it. And see how colorful, healthy and crunchy it looks. So your salad is ready. Enjoy it. Thank you. But please don't forget to subscribe if you need more of my recipes and healthy diets. Thank you.